Hello, my people. Welcome back. Today, we have our first, count it, first unboxing. And I want to give a huge shout out to my sis, JUUUST TV. Go check out her channel. It's in the description below. If you're into makeup, fashion hauls, and all that kind of good stuff, then check it out. You'll definitely like it. So yesterday, if you tuned in, and if you didn't, I'll wait till you watch the video. Go ahead. So if you tuned into the video, you'll know that yesterday was Motivational Monday, even though it was Tuesday. And today we're doing Tech Tuesday's video, but it's Wednesday. But it really doesn't matter because this stays online forever anyways. And we all know that time is made up anyways. We could say it's Tuesday if we want to, or we could say it's Taluba's Day. I don't know. But thanks to JUUUST TV, she's letting me unbox this guy and I guess showing you what it looks like when you take something out of a box. So before we unbox things, we need something, and it's really, really important. It's an unboxing knife. Jolie, help me out. Thank you. All right, here we go. This is the top of a box. Just kidding. I think this is the most important moment in the video. All right, here we go. Today we're unboxing the iPad Air. It's upside down. So this is a 64 gig iPad Air 3. And Apple is cool because you don't even have to cut it anymore, which takes away from the fun of my little knife here. But it has this cool little tab, so why don't we go and open it up. Ta-da. So after we unwrap it, can you recycle this? Tell me in the comments. So I asked my sister why she got this specific iPad. And she told me that this iPad was really kind of like the sweet spot. The iPad Pro is an awesome machine and it's got crazy power. However, it comes with a price tag. She was coming from an original iPad mini, right?
Yes.
Right. And the iPad mini was awesome when it came out because it was a little more budget friendly and still had a lot of cool specs. And the new iPad mini, with the Retina display and everything, has a lot of power, but it wasn't as powerful as she was looking for. So, like Little Red Riding Hood, or is it Goldilocks? I think it's Goldilocks. The porridge wasn't too hot or too cold, it was just right. All right, so let's see what Apple has got in the box for us. Ooh, very pretty. So in the box, the first thing is the main event, which is awesome. And it's the iPad Air 3 with the beautiful color. You can see this color here. I love the gold color. It's like a newer orangey rose-ish gold that I like a lot. I guess rose gold is kind of orange. So let's see here. We'll set that there. And then of course it comes with the usual swag with the brand new charger. And when we pop this guy out, I know we're gonna have Apple stickers in here. That's just what they do, it's their thing. As my father-in-law might say, you can put it on your Subaru next to your Bernie stickers. Just kidding. This is a non-political channel. And then wall block, and then holes. So this is the iPad version with cellular. So let's take a look at the back and see what they've got. All right, so this is the best moment in owning a new product, and I'm very thankful again to my sister for letting me take this from her. It's like letting me open her present at Christmas. That's awesome. All right, so, ta-da, it's so bright and shiny. So usually someone's telling you a lot of specs about it or why you should get it and all this stuff. But really, what else is there to know? Other than that it's a 64 gig, comes in a really cool color, and it's a beautiful display. Why don't we power it on? There it is. It works. So if you have an iPhone in that gold color, or if you have a MacBook Air in that cool color, then you can officially welcome the iPad Air 3 into that family. Thanks again to my sister for letting me unbox this, and hopefully you guys tune in, subscribe, and don't forget to like, Stay tuned for more content coming up soon. And also, don't forget to make your goals and dreams a reality. And remember that you can do it. All right, see you on the next one. Peace. Hello, my people. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to see more, there's some videos over there and down there in the description. But please make sure you like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think would love to watch these videos too. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.